Maybe your ponytail feels thinner, or your scalp is starting to peek through a little more than you'd like.
If that's you, you're not alone.
Thinning hair is something millions of people deal with every day, and for many, it can take a hit on their confidence. But what if I told you that you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on treatments or fancy products to get thicker, fuller hair? That's right, nature has already provided some powerful ingredients that can help. And you might even have them in your kitchen right now. Before we dive into today's video, let me know in the comments. Where are you watching from and what time is it there? I love seeing this community from around the world come together to share and learn. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a natural beauty tip that could change your life. All right, let's get into it. Here are 4 incredible home remedies for thicker hair that are simple, affordable, and all natural. Remedy number 1, eggs, nature's protein bomb. Let's start with something you probably already have in your fridge, eggs. Hair is primarily made up of protein, so it makes sense that eggs, one of the richest protein sources out there, are great for strengthening hair shafts and promoting volume. Here's how to use it. Take 1 or 2 eggs depending on your hair length. Beat them well. Apply to wet hair, covering from root to tip. Let it sit for 30 minutes. It might smell weird, but trust the process. Wash it out using lukewarm water. Hot water will cook the egg, and a gentle shampoo. Do this once or twice a week, and over time, you'll notice your hair becoming thicker and shinier. Want to take it a step further? Mix 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of your favorite hair oil, like coconut or olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Massage that into your scalp thoroughly and wash it out after 30 minutes. This nourishes your scalp and boosts new hair growth from the roots. Remedy number 2, olive oil. Liquid gold for hair health. Next up, olive oil. If eggs are nature's protein treatment, olive oil is its moisturizer. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish the hair shaft and protect it from damage. Here's how to use it. Warm up a few tablespoons of olive oil. Massage it into your scalp and hair. Take your time, slow circular motions. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, or even overnight with a shower cap. Rinse and shampoo as usual. You can also mix olive oil with a tablespoon of honey and apply that for an ultra-hydrating hair mask. Let it sit for 30 minutes, rinse it out, and you're good to go. Use this remedy once or twice a week, and your hair will not only feel thicker, it'll look glossier too. Remedy number 3, avocado, the moisture miracle. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful fruits for your hair, avocado. Packed with vitamin E, healthy fats, and biotin, avocado deeply conditions the hair and promotes healthy growth. Here's an easy recipe. Mash 1 ripe avocado and 1 banana. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix until smooth, then apply to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate. Rinse and follow up with a gentle shampoo. Another variation is to combine half a mashed avocado with 2 tablespoons of wheat germ oil. Apply this after shampooing as a rich mask. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse well. Doing this once a week will help revitalize dull, thin hair and improve texture and volume. Remedy number 4, castor oil, the hair thickening secret. And finally, the superhero of hair oils, castor oil. This oil is incredibly rich in vitamin E, ricinoleic acid, and essential fatty acids, all of which help promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Now, castor oil is thick, really thick, so here's how to apply it without turning into a sticky mess. Mix equal parts of cold-pressed castor oil and coconut oil, or any carrier oil you prefer. Warm it slightly. Massage into your scalp using your fingertips in small circular motions. Comb your hair gently to spread the oil and detangle. Wrap your head in a warm towel and leave the oil on for at least 1 hour. For deeper conditioning, leave it overnight. Wash out with shampoo. You might need to lather twice to fully remove the oil. Do this once a week, and you'll start noticing your hair feeling denser, stronger, and more resistant to breakage. Now remember, consistency is key. These remedies aren't magic potions. They take time, patience, and a regular routine to see real results. But the best part? You're avoiding harsh chemicals and giving your hair the natural nourishment it craves. Which remedy are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And again, tell me where you're watching from and what time it is as you're watching. I love reading your responses. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another natural beauty tip. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.